Guangzhou JiaYing Cosmetics Company Limited was established in 2007, is a professional hair color, perm, and wash care R&D, production and sales of enterprises. It is headquartered in Guangzhou, Guangdong Province. Now the company covers an area of 11,000 square meters. It has 12 automatic production lines and 10-watt grade clean cleaning workshop. With a full set of advanced assembly line equipment, our products are mainly exported to East Asia, the Middle East, and Japan in overseas markets. We have a professional R&D team. R&D team staff have more than 15 years of relevant industry experience, can support the customization of various OEM and ODM orders. Our experienced staff can discuss your requirements and ensure your complete satisfaction. There is also a senior management team that does a good job of schedule and quality control. Quality control team, including material inspector, final inspector. The line inspector will check every step of the line in each shop. Strict quality control to give you thoughtful customer service. Efficient production line and perfect logistics system can ensure that products quickly to your warehouse. Our staff hope to work hard for your satisfaction. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss custom orders, please feel free to contact us. We look forward to building successful business relationships with new customers around the world in the near future.